Atabong ko niya managkarigos. Ana? Iyon na, anta pa, no? Naiian. Labahan ko naman ito. Ano, mother? Gusto mo ka? Ano? Paano mo naaraman?
Magandang umaga. No, you got in trouble yesterday for eating my lunch.
Who? Si Mingyo? Sabi ni Budangte, 67 years old pa lang si mama nagkaano. So nag-trigger na so ano niya, so ilang niya, so Parkinson's niya. 67. Tapos nahulog siya sa hagdan 2020, July 2020. Tapos naoperahan siya October, birthday da ni Josh. October 12, 2022 naoperahan.
Balik-balik ko man. Naghanap kami ospital. Ay, nang ano.
During pandemic pala nito si mama nahulog. Adi, rumdum ko mananggad.
All your friends in Dubai?
Yeah,
When they used to
I
ask
have
all
a friend there.
When you used to ask all those questions. Oh, what's it? Hear it live.
Aren't you afraid, Kuya Rick?
Mm-mm.
So what you're learning right now about this operation, Jennifer?
Sandra, I just spoke with a senior U.S. official that confirmed with us that the U.S. does believe that Ali Khamenei, the Ayatollah, was killed, had told me that the strike had to be moved up based on intelligence power.
Oh, now I know what those guys went through.
Ito ka mao.
Because Israel had Mossad agents on the ground who were directing activities for the...
Ay, sa ibang palanta din, nagsara. Ay, nagbubuka. O, hay na. Ayusun mo.
Ano man ang maayos?
Naayusin ito eh. Oh, hay na. Hay na. Hi. Hindi na nag-iro, Tim. Baba na. Kaswapon, gusto niya mag-ice cream. Pinugulan ko. Basuguno na siya, ti. Nag-uruot nga na nga ni. Sabi ko sa aga na.
Nakulang pa dyan na ice cream.
Kaya nga ni.
Ang December pa kasi namin.
5:04. Ay, oo, 4 o'clock in the morning.
I know because when I called him at 7 o'clock in Jordan, it was noontime here.
Iyon mananggad, madaling araw.
Saudi, parehas yung dati oras.
Oo. Di man, ta sa UAE, 4 na oras.
Under attack nga ni so ano?
Saudi? Tak na?
Yeah.
Si Jeremy.
Hey, Jeremy. Hey,
Grabe ka ngayon sa kuya.
don't you miss that sound of the alarm?
Nag-i-snow. Gustuhon niya. Tanganing ano. Dahil nakaipuan kimalipot.
Are you enjoying the weather in Florida?
Ew.
Turn on the heater to 75.
Whew, that's roasting.
No, it's really still cold.
Yeah, but that's roasting. That's hot.
That's hot.
Oh.
Sabi ro, daro man kami kaan. That's hot.
You see, I am wearing my socks. I'm wearing.
Gotta be close.
Another person who's been watching today's stunning events unfold is Iranian-American activist and journalist Masih Alinejad. Masih, you must be experiencing such a range of emotions. Have you talked to any of your family?
20?
Have you been able to get through?
Gusto mong snow pa?
Maray man, dyan na si mama. Tani din na magpare-air kung digdi. Kung sa Abbey Road din eh, putol na ang kuryente sa Abbey Road.
kung Amerika pa lang siya, dapat naka-business class siya.
Pa-Amerika na kanina rin naman. Ano kung nakakabong
Ba na?
Di man pwede siyang nakatukaw. Ibi-ibi ang kanisip patahan.
Ulo kung ka.
No.
Yan bagang sabi ko, una mo sa primero lang magayon.
Have you learned to ski yet? Rackets?
Grabe si mama, may nainom kitubig, ti.